Like a master sculptor, nature starts to mold a tiny human from a cluster of cells. This is the beginning of an intricate, magical process that will eventually lead to a complete human being. This miniature marvel will produce the embryo's first red blood cells and help deliver nutrients until the placenta fully forms and takes over. A critical player, it ensures the embryo's survival during these early vulnerable stages. This protective bubble will cushion and house the baby throughout the pregnancy, keeping it safe and snug. This incredible organ starts to develop, preparing for its vital role of providing oxygen and nutrients to the growing baby, while also eliminating waste. The baby's neural tube, which will later become the brain and spinal cord, starts to take shape. It's a complex process, but it's happening with amazing precision and speed. The heart begins to form. It's not yet beating, but it's getting ready to pump life-giving blood to every corner of the tiny body. The mother's body is producing the hormone HCG in higher amounts, which confirms the pregnancy. This is the hormone that pregnancy tests detect, giving the exciting, positive result. The 5th week of pregnancy is a time of rapid and astounding changes. The embryo begins to form, the yolk sac ensures nutrition, the amniotic sac offers protection, the placenta starts its critical work, and the neural tube and heart begin their development. All this while, the mother's body confirms the pregnancy with the production of HCG. It's an incredible week, filled with the promise of life and the beauty of nature's design. This miraculous journey is a testament to the power and magic of creation. It's a remarkable story unfolding one week at a time, bringing us a step closer to the miracle of life. The 5th week of pregnancy truly is a time of wonder and transformation.